Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I will show you how to change what volume increase control on the HONOR X5c Plus. Simply open settings by scrolling down from the top right corner and press this little button here to open settings. In settings, go to vibrations and sounds. Scroll down to the default volume button control. You can change between ringtone and media. By default it's media. Let's pick ringtone. And now let's try to make our ringtone a little quieter. As you can see, the bar right here moves. You can also make it louder from here. But if you want to change media sound with your volume bar, press again, click on media. And now when you touch your volume bar, as you can see, media volume changes. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.